Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. All of you, switch on the camera, please. Bhargav, Dipti, Heat, Jay, please switch on the camera. Hello, Jill. Fine. Everyone, switch on the camera. Everyone. Start your video, everyone, please. Let me see you. Hello, Vidhi. Vidhi, your brother is Darshil, no? I think so. Younger brother Darshil. अच्छा कोई दूसरा होगा वो. Okay. Let me introduce myself. Okay. Myself is Sajid sir. I hope so. Everyone knows me. I think so. And I have done MSc, Masters in Mathematics. Yes, and I have 18 years experience. 18 years of experience. So maybe I've taught your elder brother, nephew, whatever. I think so. I am teaching you Maths 1. Maths 1 in FYJC and SYJC. As well as if you are doing CAFC, I'm there also for you. And taking paper 3, Maths and Logical Reasoning. So 1 to 6 months. 2.5 years you are with me. Next, if you are going CFC, or if you are doing FY as next 2 years, I'm with you. I'm taking Maths. Yes, that is about me. Today I'll give you some shortcuts in mathematics that will help you to solve the question more easy. Yes, agree? Mhm. Okay, all of you are 10th standard pass, I know that. First shortcut that I'm teaching you, how to find square. Of any two-digit number. How to find square of any two-digit number. याद नहीं करना है. That is 10 to 99. You can find square within 2 steps and very simple steps. The requirement for this shortcut is 1 square. How much 1 square? 1. 2 square, 4. 3 square, 9. 4 square, 16. 5 square, 25. 6 square, 36. 7 square, 49. 8 square, 64. 9 square, 81. This much I think all of you know. Agree? Yes or no? Reply at least in group chat. This much you know. Everyone sitting in front of me, 22 students, they know this. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square. Everyone knows. If you know this, you can find square from 11 to 99 within 2 steps. Within 2 simple steps. May I start? Here. चलो, give me any number जिसका आपको square चाहिए. Any 2-digit number according to your wish. 72 पोस्ट हुआ है. I will find square of 72. 72 का स्क्वायर फाइंड करना है. एक सबसे पहले हीट ने पोस्ट किया 72. I'll find 72 square. Yes. 7 का स्क्वायर कितना होता है? 7 का स्क्वायर. First find 7 square. Write 49. Find 2 square. कितना 2 square? 4. But always write answer in 2-digit form. 4 मत लिखना. क्या लिखना? 04 लिखना. समझा स्टेप 1? यस और नो? अगर ऐसा हुआ 13 हुआ तो 13 का स्क्वायर 1 होता है, बट राइट व्हाट? 01. 3 का स्क्वायर 9. व्हाट यू राइट? 09 यू राइट. ऑलवेज आंसर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 2 digit. अंडरस्टूड फर्स्ट स्टेप एवरीवन? डिफिकल्ट है फर्स्ट स्टेप? नो. चलो, अब ये जो दिख रहा है ना आपको, 7 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 करो. आंसर बोलो कितना होता है? ये 7 इंटू 2 इंटू 2. 7 2 जा 14. 14 2 जा 28. तो यहाँ लिखो 28. अब इसको ऐड कर दो. आंसर आ गया 4815. You can check on the calculator. Anyone wants to check, they can check. 72 multiplied by 72 is 5184. Just check on the calculator if you have any doubts and verify the answer right or wrong. Right है ना? एकदम simple. Very 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 simple. If you know this trick, आपको स्क्वायर याद करने की जरूरत नहीं. फ्रॉम 11 to 99 ऑल स्क्वायर ऐसे मिलेंगे आपको इंस्टेंटली. यस. नेक्स्ट नंबर Any other number? तो 86 इवन तो हो गया, ऑड जरूर। 89 का स्क्वायर, चलो 89 का स्क्वायर करते हैं। खुशी ने कहा हर क्लास में कहीं ना कहीं खुशी मिल जाती है, वेरी गुड, थैंक यू खुशी फॉर द नंबर। 8 का स्क्वायर, 8 स्क्वायर 64 लिखो। 9 स्क्वायर, 9 स्क्वायर 81 लिखो आजू बाजू में। इन तीनों को मल्टीप्लाई करने का, 8 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 9 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, आंसर 8 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 9, 972, 2 जा 144, एग्री। 8 9 जा 72, 72 जा 144, 144, leave one space, yeah, always leave one space here. Add one as it is, 12 carry 1, 9 7, you can check on the calculator if you want to check. 89 square is 7921, is it correct? Yes, right answer, you can check. Twelve, 8 plus 4, 12, 2 carry 1, 1 plus 4 plus 1 9, 6 plus 1 7, ये 4 plus 4 8 नहीं है, 8 plus 4 12 कैरी 1 हुआ ना, तो 1 का 9 आया। You can check on the calculator. 89 square, 89 square is 7921. Any other square you want? Yes, give me a number. Any other number according to your choice. Post in the group please. 97 आया, चलो विधि, I'll take 97, 97। पहले 9 का स्क्वायर आगे आएगा, 7 का बाद में आएगा ऑलवेज। 9 स्क्वायर 81, 7 square 49, 9 into 7 into 3, 9 7 are 63, 63 2 are 126, 126, add, that is 9, 0 carry 1, 4 9, you can check on the calculator. 1409 is the answer. Understood? Understood the trick? How to find square? Sorry 2 आएगा, 2, 9 into 7, ये तीनों मल्टीप्लाई हो गए। 9 into 7 into 2, 7 into 2 into 2 लास्ट में, 8 into 9 into 2, that one। 9 7 जा 63, 2 जा 3 3, not 2 3, correction 3, 63 2 जा 126, 3 है वो। नाइन इंटू 7 इंटू 3 नहीं है, वो 2 है। अंडरस्टूड? Any doubts? Now I'll post a question, you will give me the answer. Yes? Question is 41 square, not on the calculator please. Solve it yourself and give the answer. Forty-one square, आंसर नो. करेक्ट. मिस्टर समद, आंसर इज करेक्ट. नो. जिसका आंसर राइट है मैं उसी का नाम लूंगा, मतलब जो बाकी वो रॉन्ग है. खुशी का आंसर राइट है, प्राची का राइट है, ये कौन है, हीत का राइट है, क्रिश का राइट आंसर है, मनस्वी आंसर इज करेक्ट. अंडरस्टूड. One more time. 4 square is 16. Write 1 6. 1 square is 1, but write 0 1. 4 into 1, 4 ones are 4 and 8. Add 1 6 8 1 is the answer. Understood? Yes. समझा ट्रिक कैसे? हाउ टू फाइंड स्क्वायर ऑफ एनी टू डिजिट नंबर. Square of any two digit number. Find me for 53. One more. 53 square. Very good, Samad. I said Samad answer is right. सबसे पहले आपका आंसर आया था समझ. 53 square. Yes, Mr. Bhargav sir, your answer is correct. Next question. Posted is 53 square. square. कैमरा ऑन कर दो यार. ऐसा लग रहा क्या मालूम किसको पढ़ा रहा हूँ मैं, कोई दिख रहा ही नहीं. प्लीज एवरीवन स्विच ऑन द कैमरा. स्टार्ट द वीडियो प्लीज. अच्छा रहेगा. इट्स गुड फॉर मी. Just check your answer. 5 square is 25. 3 square is 9. You will write 0 9. 5 3s are 15. 15 2s are 30. Add 9 0 2 8 0 9. Understood? Any doubts? Anyone? How to find square of two digit number? Yes. 53 into 53 is 2809. Any two digit number square can be, we can found direct. One more extra shortcut. When the digit at unit place is 5, इससे भी easy है, मगर कंडीशन क्या है? 5 should be at unit place. महा शॉर्टकट. Here 5 square, 15 square, 25 square, 35 square, 45 square, 55 square, 65 square, 75 square, 85 square, and 95 square. Instantly. 5 square is 25. Agree? Whenever digit at unit place is 5, तो पहले 5 का स्क्वायर करने का. क्या होता है 5 का स्क्वायर? बताओ. 5 square is 25. Understood? Now जो भी 10 प्लेस पे है, टेक द नेक्स्ट वन. 1 के बाद क्या आता है? आफ्टर 1 विच नंबर कम? 2. सो जो भी नंबर उसको 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, दैट इज 2. आंसर इज 225. एक और बार फिर. 5 स्क्वायर इज 25. 2 के बाद क्या आता है? आफ्टर 2 3, 2 3 जा 6 हो गया, कितना इजी है, अंडरस्टूड। वन मोर, 5 स्क्वायर इज 25, 3 के बाद आफ्टर 3 4, 3 4 जा 3 4 जा 12, 1 2 2 5 हो गया, 3 4 जा नेक्स्ट 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4, 4 into 5, 5 into 6, 6 into 7, 7 into 8, 8 into 9, 9 into 10, ऐसा करो, सब आंसर आएंगे। कंप्लीट रिमेनिंग, अंडरस्टूड। दिस शॉर्टकट इज एलिजिबल when यूनिट प्लेस पे 5 हो, then only this shortcut is eligible. Understood? Yes? Any doubts, anyone? Complete the remaining. I hope so you can do this. So you have learned two things right now from me. First, how to find square of any two-digit number. Very simple trick. Very simple trick. Next, how to find square of a when the unit place is 5. 5 square 25, whatever preceding multiply with next number. 1 2 are 2, 2 2 are 2 3 are 6, 3 4 are. Next one, 5 square. Check your answer please. 5 square is 25. 4 के बाद 5, 4 5 are 20. 5 square is 25. 5 के बाद 6, 5 6 are 30. 5 square is 25. After 6 7, 6 sevens are 42. 5 square is 25. 7 7 into 8, 7 8s are 56. 5 square is 25. After 8 9, 8 9s are 72. 5 square is 25. 9 to 10, 9 9 10s are 90. All square you can check on the calculator. All are correct answer. You can check on calculator if you have doubt. Understood? Any doubts, anyone? भार्गव, दीप्ति, हीत, जय, कृष, मनन, मानसवी, मन, नेहा, पार्थ, प्राची, रिद्धि, रुद्र, सुजल, साक्षी, समद, त्रिवेदी, कृष, रिद्धि, ईशा and Z square. Understood? Okay. Next trick is coming your way. Basic formula that you already know. Write the answer जितने आपको मालूम हो. A plus B the whole square. A minus B the whole square. A plus B the whole cube. A minus B the whole cube. This much you have done till 10th standard. Agree? Yes, everyone. And I hope so everyone knows the answer also. बट अब 11th में जाने वाले हैं और 12th में जाने के बाद में तो हमें और फॉर्मूले आने चाहिए. सो आई वांट यू नो हाउ विल कंस्ट्रक्ट a plus b raised to 4, a minus b raised to 4, a plus b raised to 5, a minus b raised to 5 and so on. आगे 6 7 8 9 10 कैसे कंस्ट्रक्ट होते हैं, क्यों होते हैं ये कंस्ट्रक्ट? All these are called binomial expansion. Write the first four answer yourself, please. I hope so you can write everyone. Return everyone. Return everyone. Return. First four. Check your answers. A square plus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. A cube plus 3a square b, 3ab square plus b cube. A cube minus 3a square b, 3ab square minus b cube. Agree this much everyone? Everyone agree? अब इसके पीछे की ट्रिक क्या है समझ लो. ये देखो, ये if the index is 2, whatever index is there, plus 1 is number of terms. Index is 2, 2 plus 1, आंसर में 3 terms है. Agree? Yes or no? Index is 3, 3 plus 1, answer contain 4 terms. Agree? Understood first concept? Yes. Index is 4, मतलब आंसर में 5 terms आएंगे. इंडेक्स इज 5, आंसर में 6 टर्म्स आएंगे. कौन से आएंगे बाद में? अंडरस्टूड? फर्स्ट पॉइंट क्लियर एवरीवन? व्हाटएवर इंडेक्स इज देयर, होल रेज टू 2, 2 plus 1, आंसर में 3 टर्म्स. होल रेज टू 3, 3 plus 1, आंसर 4 टर्म्स. होल रेज टू 4, आंसर 5 टर्म्स. रेज टू 6, आंसर 6 टर्म्स. सेकेंड पॉइंट, if the sign is in between plus, all are plus, 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 plus. Sign is plus, all are plus. If the sign is minus, so we have plus, minus, plus, minus consecutive. Start plus से होगा, plus, minus, plus, minus. Understood? Second point. Understood second point? Third point पे ध्यान देना. थर्ड पॉइंट, ये ए स्क्वायर है तो ए स्क्वायर भी आएगा, ए रेज टू 1 भी आएगा, ए रेज टू 0 भी आएगा, बी रेज टू 0, बी रेज टू 1 एंड बी स्क्वायर. वी डोंट राइट एनीथिंग रेज टू 0 is 1, so it become a square into 1, raised to 1 we don't write, and 1 into b square. So just we write a square, ab and b square. Means what? यहां जो स्क्वायर था, सुनो एक बार फिर सुनो, स्क्वायर तो ए स्क्वायर ए रेस टू वन ए रेस टू जीरो दिख रहा नहीं मगर है वो, मल्टीप्लाई बाय वन सब जगह होता है। I can write 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2. Agree or not? Or x is 1 multiplied by x multiplied by 1 both are correct. और x upon 1 भी होता है कभी कभी तो. All are same. Agree? So a raised to 0 is 1, we don't write. Similarly, second point, a raised to 0 है तो साथ में b raised to 0 है. यहाँ b raised to 0 था, लिखा नहीं है. b raised to 1, b raised to 3. Come here. Index क्या है? 3, a raised to 3, a square, a raised to 1, a raised to 0, b raised to 0, b raised to 1, b raised to 2, b raised to 3. अंडरस्टूड? तो रेस टू 4 है, तो रेस टू 4 में क्या आएगा बच्चों? a raised to 4 plus a raised to 3 plus a raised to 2 plus a raised to 1 plus b raised to 0 we don't write, b raised to 1, b raised to 2, b raised to 3, b raised to 4. Understood? All are plus. Why plus? Because in between sign is plus. Understood? Yes? अब बचा कोएफिशिएंट, वो ऐसा बनता है, देखो ये 1 लिखा है यहाँ, राइट 1 ईयर, राइट 1 ईयर एंड 1 ईयर, इसको ऐड करना, 1 प्लस 1 कितना होता है? 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 to 1 is a coefficient of a plus b the whole square. 1 to 1. We don't write 1. Next, again write 1 here and 1 here. Add 1 plus 2, 3 in between. 2 plus 1, 3 in between. 1, 3, 3. 1, 3, 3 is a coefficient of a plus b the whole cube. Yes. Next, write 1 here, write 1 here. 1 plus 3, 4. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 1, 4. मतलब 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. इसके साथ आएगा, आपका फॉर्मूला बन गया 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. वन मोर टाइम, अगर समझ में नहीं आया तो राइट 1, दैट इज a प्लस b रेज टू 1 के लिए 1, तो सेम a प्लस b आने वाला है. एग्री? नेक्स्ट राइट 1 here and 1 here. Add 1 plus 2, 2. That is a plus b the whole square. Write 1 here and 1 here. Add 1 plus 2 in between. 1 plus 2 is 3 here. 2 plus 1, 3 here. 1, 3, 3, 1. Write 1 here and 1 here. 1 plus 3, 4. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 1, 4. 1, 6, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Again 1 here and 1 here. 1 plus 4, 5. 4 plus 6, 10. 6 plus 4, 6 plus 4, sorry this is 10, beg your pardon. 4 plus 6 is 10, 6 plus 4, 10, 4 plus 1, 5. वो किसके लिए? रेज टू 5, a रेज टू 5 प्लस a रेज टू 4 प्लस a रेज टू 3 प्लस a रेज टू 2 प्लस a रेज टू 1 प्लस a रेज टू 0. b raised to 0, b raised to 1, b raised to 2, b raised to 3, b raised to 4, b raised to 5. Coefficient are 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. बन गया फॉर्मूला. कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करना, फॉर्मूला अपने आप बन जाएगा. एग्री? आपको सिर्फ 1, 4, 6, 4, 1 याद करना है, बाकी ट्रिक है पूरा. Here कुछ नॉट 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Understood? If you know this, 1 raised a plus b raised to 5, you know very आराम से. Agree? Complete the in between part, please. Complete the in between part, please. Answer for this: a raised to 4 minus 4a cube b plus 6a square b square plus 4a b cube. Sorry, minus plus minus plus minus 4a b cube plus b raised to 4. This one, a raised to 5 minus 5a square b plus 10a cube b square minus 10a square b cube plus 5ab raised to 4 minus b raised to 5. Now point to be noted, one more thing. Index is 2. Here 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. Here index is 3. 3 plus 0 index. 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 0 plus 3. Index is 4. 4 plus 0, 3 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 1 plus 3, 0 plus 4. Index is 5. 5 plus 0, 4 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 1 plus 4 and 0 plus 5. All are there. आपको a प्लस बी रेस टू 4 याद नहीं करना है, बहुत इजी है. a रेस टू 4, a रेस टू 3, a रेस टू 2, a रेस टू 1, a रेस टू 0, then b रेस टू 0, b रेस टू 1, b रेस टू 2, b रेस टू 3, b रेस टू 4, and just remember 1 4 6 4 1 अपने आप बन जाएगा फॉर्मूला. And for raise to 5, 1 5 10 10 5 1. If you know these 2 points, 1 4 6 6 1 4 6 4 1, you can give a formula of a plus b whole raised to 4 instantly. And if you know 1 5 10 10 5 1, you can give formula of a plus b whole raised to 5 instantly. Understood? Any doubts, anyone in this? प्लस माइनस बराबर है. रेस टू 4 हो गया इधर, ये 4 आएगा. रेस टू 4. One more point. First coefficient same as the last. Second same as second last. First same as last. Second same as second last. Third same as third last. First same as last. Second same as second last. In between. First same as last. Second last. Third last. Fourth last. अभी इमेज बनता है कोएफिशिएंट्स का हमेशा, ऑलवेज. बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स है. फिनिश. Everyone finish? Any doubts, anyone? These are called binomial expansion. So a plus b whole raised to 5 का फॉर्मूला रट्टा नहीं मारने का हम लोग को, कॉन्सेप्ट सिमिलर है. If they ask a plus b whole raised to 5, what do you do? First you write a raised to 5 plus a raised to 4 plus a raised to 3 plus a raised to 2 plus a raised to 1 plus a raised to 0. That we don't write because anything raised to 0 is 1. Then b raised to 0, b raised to 1, b raised to 2, b raised to 3, b raised to 4, b raised to 5. Then 1 5 10 10 5 1 फॉर्मूला रेडी हो जाएगा. क्लियर एवरीवन? यस. Written? Finish writing work, everyone? चलो next formula, number 9 onwards, no? Number 9. These are not binomial expression, no? A square minus B square. Number 10. A cube minus B cube. Number 11. A cube plus B cube. Number 12. A raised to 4 minus B raised to 4. Number 13. A plus B plus C the whole square. Number 14. A cube plus B cube plus C. Write the answer if you know. All of these are used in 9th standard factorization chapter. All this was there in 9th standard factorization chapter. Polynomials wala chapter number 3 till 3.14 was there, 9th standard algebra. If you know the answer, write down, else I will write. See your answer. First answer is A minus B, A plus B. All this formula is useful next year also. A minus B, A square plus AB plus B. A plus B, A square minus AB plus B square. A minus B, A plus B, A square plus B square. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. A plus B plus C, A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA plus 3ABC. 15th, if A plus B plus C equal to 0. So what is the answer for A cube plus B cube plus C cube? Such question done in 9th standard. A plus B plus is 0. So 0 multiply, anything is 0. The answer is 3ABC. If A plus B plus C is 0, then applicable, else A cube plus B cube plus C cube is A plus B plus C multiply A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA plus 3ABC. Understood, everyone? Yes? Any doubts, anyone in this? All this square, Standard formula is there for you, this standard as well as next standard also, and further for CFC also. Finish everyone? These are not binomial expansion. When I said binomial expansion means whole raised to, ऐसा कुछ आता है whole raised to, ये whole raised to एक भी नहीं है except this, वो मैंने लिखा है. Bi means two, binomial means two expression whole raised to है. Finish everyone? Okay. Next part that you have to know, right? Cubes, ये सब आपको याद होना चाहिए नेक्स्ट 2 years के लिए, ये रिक्वायरमेंट है. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. संभाल के रखना, बहुत कम आएगा. वॉट एवर आई एम गिविंग दिस 1 hour. 3 cube is 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729, 10 cube 1000, 11 cube 1331, 12 cube 1728. This much you have to know very well. Next requirement, 2 raised to 1 is 2, 2 raised to 2 is 4, 2 raised to 3 8, 2 raised to 4 16, 2 raised to 5 32. All this will use while solving question. 2 raised to 6 64, 2 raised to 7 128, 2 raised to 8 256, 256, 2 raised to 9 512, 2 raised to 10 1024, 2 raised to 11 2048, 2 raised to 12 4096. One more time. 2 raised to 7, 128. 2 raised to 8, 256. 2 raised to 9, 512. 2 raised to 10, 1024. 2 raised to 11, 2048. 2 raised to 12, 4096. 3 raised to 1, 3. 3 square. 9. 3 cube. 81. 3 raised to 4. 243. 3 raised to 5. 729. Enough. Raised to 5 enough. 729. Or 3 raised to 6. 9 3s are 27. 287. 4 and 5 and then stop. 4 raised to 1, 4. 4 square 16. 4 cube 64. 4 raised to 4 256. 4 raised to 5 1024. 4 raised to 6 4096. The last for 5. This much you have to know very well. शगु नहीं है मैथ्स का, इतना तो आना ही चाहिए. From last 13 years you are doing mathematics or 14 years. 5 square 25. 5 cube 125. 5 to 4 625. 3125. 15625. Yes, all of you, this much you have to know very well. याद कर लेना, अच्छा रहेगा, आगे आसानी होगी सॉल्व करने में प्रॉब्लम. All these values you have done all this already, I know that, but एक साथ रहेगा तो अच्छा रहेगा. Agree? So what I've done today, square of any 2-digit number. Square when the unit digit is 5. Shortcut. Next, binomial expansion, raised to 4, raised to 5, 1 4 6 4 1 5 10 10 5 1. Yes, and all these cube, square and all the value. Yes, next time I will discuss real number. Concept of real number, very important concept. Those who are finished, they can leave. Bye everyone, take care. Those who are writing, they can write. Still I'm waiting. And those who are finished, they can leave. Bye Vidhi, bye Zil. Return Vidhi, Samat. Finish writing work.